Welcome to the College of the North Atlantic's Happy Valley Goose Bay campus. Come on in and we'll show you around. When you first enter our campus, you arrive in our front lobby. To the left is the campus wicket. This is your first point of contact for inquiries, payment of fees, picking up an application, or to make contact with student services. We also have a counselor on campus conveniently located next to the campus wicket. Our counselor is available for personal, group, and career counseling, along with being a valuable support to our students. Around the corner, we have another entrance to the campus office, where students use to pick up forms, meet with admissions staff, our counselor, or our Aboriginal support coordinator. Our coordinator is a liaison between Indigenous students and their funding agencies and provides additional support to our students. Across the hallway, we also have various other student services staff, including our student development officer, who is here to provide information to you regarding programs and services, students needing support, student aid, on-the-job training, student council, student life, and more. She is also a liaison between students and administration. Here we also have our Accessibility Services Coordinator and our Resource Facilitator. They are here to help support students who may need extra accessibility services to help them with their program. This can include extra time for exams, a quiet space, or even having their exams read to them. Further down the hallway, we do have various other student services supports, including our Aboriginal Resource Center. As you can see, this is a comfortable, cozy space where students can come in, sit back, relax, do their work, study, or even just chat with friends. This room is also a space where we host a lot of our activities and events, including various craft nights and our Friday TGIF coffee break. Just down the hallway from our Aboriginal Resource Center, we have a library learning commons area. In the library, we also have a student computer room where students can access to computers for various work needed for their programs, including research, scanning, photocopying, or printing of information. We also have various study carrels where students can come in and have a quiet place to study, along with various tables where students can do individual and group work. We also have a comfortable area here where students can sit down, relax, and study. In our library, we also have a library technician and a librarian who are here to help you when needed. Just off our library, we also have a Student Success Center. This is a space for students to do group work that may require louder voices, for example. It also provides students with a space for peer tutoring and for them to sit down with various instructors for extra support in math, English, and communications. We also have computer space available in here as well for students when needed. Just down the hallway from the main lobby, we also have a cafeteria space. As you can see, the space is fairly big, and the cafeteria is open to all students and staff for lunch break. However, for evening suppers and weekends is reserved for our resident students. Our College of the North Atlantic campus in Goose Bay houses a singles and a family residence, along with child care center facilities. Just outside our cafeteria and down the hall, we have a gymnasium. In the gym, we house a variety of activities, including our orientation assembly, our multicultural day event, our health and wellness information fair, along with various gym nights where students can drop in, play volleyball, basketball, badminton, circuit training, and more. The College of the North Atlantic campus offers 4 trades at our campus. With our trades, you require a high school graduation in order to apply, or you can apply as a mature student. Our first trade is the power line technician shop. As you can see, we have various practice poles set up there where students can practice their climbing before they move outside onto the taller poles. When they work outside, they are exposed to various outdoor elements, including a sunny, hot day, or it could be cold, snowing, or even raining outside. Students practice in these elements to help prepare them for work in the field. Another trade at the Happy Valley Goose Bay campus is our construction industrial electrician program. Students here work on and learn about the different types of electrical, including construction and industrial. Students then are prepared to select the option where they want to work and pursue their apprenticeship training en route to becoming a journey person electrician. Students here train not only on our main level, but they also have the opportunity to train on structures built to resemble various workspaces. Across the classroom here, we also have various alarms where students learn on alarms, systems, and other electrical devices. The campus also houses a heavy-duty equipment technician program. Our heavy-duty equipment technician program prepares students to fix, maintain, and repair various types of heavy equipment machinery. This is a fairly large shop to accommodate different training in different areas where students can work in modules and in group settings. Across the hallway from our heavy-duty equipment technician program, we also have our welding program. Our welding program provides students with training in various types of welding, various types of metal. Students also have their own cubicles where they can practice along with their instructors individually. Outside of our trades programs, our campus also houses our personal care attendant program and practical nursing program. These students have a separate classroom space, however, they share a lab space. As you can see, various beds here are set up in the classroom to resemble a hospital setting. This provides students with the opportunity to practice aspects of the program, including blood pressure checks, temperature checks, along with checking on patients and learning various skills related to their programs. For a student to enter our practical nursing program, they require a 65% average in their 3000 level courses. They also require 2 references, a personal statement, a certificate of conduct, immunization record, and more. Our personal care attendant program requires students to have a high school graduation, a certificate of conduct, immunization record, personal statement, reference letters, and 20 volunteer hours. These programs provide great experience to help prepare students for work in the health field. Upstairs at our campus, we also have a variety of science labs, including a physics lab, a biology lab, and a chemistry lab. These are here to support our Comprehensive Arts and Sciences Transfer Program, or our first-year university program, our Comprehensive Arts and Sciences Transition Program, and our Aboriginal Bridging Program. These labs are well equipped and provide various safety stations in place to help support our students and instructors. Just down the hallway from our science labs houses 2 lecture theaters. These are also in support of our Comprehensive Arts and Sciences programs. These are fairly large classrooms. As you can see, here's an example of one of the classrooms, which can accommodate these students in the program, along with presentations to all students at our campus. No matter where you sit in these rooms, students have access to information and presentations and instruction by their instructors. At our College of the North Atlantic campus in Goose Bay, we also have our Aboriginal Bridging Program. This program is open to all students. However, it does have an aspect related to Aboriginal and Indigenous studies, including math, sciences, and English from various Aboriginal authors. If you would like information on any of our programs, please feel free to contact the campus at 709-896-6300. We hope to see you at our campus in the near future.